Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution of Math. I am your tutor Sumant PF. So today we are going to learn the exercise 2.5 question number 6, in that the fourth question. So let us learn that. Before that, all of you like my video and subscribe my channel. Coming to the polynomials, exercise 2.5, in that question number 6, write the following cubes in expanded form. In that the fourth question. The fourth question says that x minus 2 by 3y whole cube we have to expand it. And here you remember this is in a form of x minus y the whole cube form. So you may get confused, so that I will take x1 and y1. So what is that x minus y the whole cube formula or identity? X cube plus y cube. So it is not plus here, minus it is. So minus and again minus 3x square y, and lastly again we have plus 3xy the whole square. This is the formula or identity we can call for this. And I have taken here x dash and y dash because the same thing we have in terms of x and y we have, no need to confuse. So what is the x value over here? So here you can see here x value. So x value is nothing but the x only. So I can write down that x dash is equals to x, means x is represented by x. So now one more, the y value also important. So y is over here, and the y value is little bit different now. 2 by 3 y we have. So that y value is nothing but 2 by 3 y. Okay, so y dash I will take here because otherwise the similar thing you may think. So now let us substitute in the formula and find the final answer. X minus 2 by 3 the cube. So y we have, that is equals to x value I have already told, that is nothing but similar, it is x only. So x cube minus the y value is what? Y value is nothing but 2 by 3 y. Yes, 2 by 3 y. See, I will put the whole cube because it is, here you have 2, 3 and y separate terms. So minus we have the 3 I will write on as it is. The x value again, what is the x value? X only. So x square. What is that? Y. Y is nothing but 2 by 3. So multiplication 2 by 3 y plus lastly we have here 3 into x value is x only into y value is nothing but 2 by 3 y the whole square. So this is the whole thing. Okay, next one is simplification. The x cube I will write on as it is. Now the minus is outside, so minus I will write outside only. This cube what we have, that cube is for 2 also, 3 also and y also. So separately we have to take the cube for all these things. So first 2 cube, the 2 cube is nothing but what? 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is nothing but 27. So y cube is y cube only. See, I have not changed anything. Similar thing, that what we have the power that I have taken for each and everything. So next one, importantly, that minus I have, so I will write on minus here. Next we have 3 and 3. See here, this 3 and this 3 get cancelled because it is into. So x square, 2 and y we have. So 2, first I will write, then I will write on x square, and then I will write that y. And lastly, plus, again you can see here, 3 and 3 get cancelled. You may think that, but it is wrong, because here we have this 3 is having the square. First we have to use the square because Bodmer's rule says that first we have to solve the power. Okay, so we will write down the 3 as it is and x as it is, no change at all. In this we have to take the square for both. This is 2 also, 3 also and y also. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and y square is y square only. So now you can cancel 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So final thing, final answer I can write it down here. X cube as it is minus 8 divided by 27 y cube as it is. Then minus we have 2x square y I can write down as it is. And lastly we can see here we have 4, here we have 3 and here we have x and here we have y square. So plus we have here, so plus 4 by 3 x we have and y square we have. And next again we can simplify or what? We can't simplify because here in terms of x square y we have, and here we have x y square. Both are different, not both are similar. So here we have x cube and here we have y cube. So again simplification is not possible, and this is our final answer. That is nothing but x minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. So that is the expanded form of the given question number 6, the fourth one. This is the, thank you for watching PSM Perfect Solution of Math. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.